Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I laid this wig. I used a different hairspray today and I really feel like I like this hairspray more than I like Got To Be. And I really don't like Got To Be, but this hairspray is something else and it doesn't even get white, okay? It does not get white. It's amazing. But today we're going to be using HiWigs and this is their 20-inch 13x4 frontal wig. It is 150% density, so this is the wig we're going to be using today. If you guys are interested in purchasing this wig, which is very bomb, I'm going to have the links down below for you guys to check them out. And yeah, let's get into this video. So you can see how I laid this wig, okay? Alright you guys, I'm so mad because I was talking in this video, but anyways, I just wanted to show you guys the packaging. This is the packaging that it came in. It's broken right here because it came like that. I guess like the male people, they are irritating, but this is what came inside of the packaging. It came with a wig cap. This is a regular nude wig cap, and it also came with some eyelashes. It's like those little eyelashes. And it came with a wig grip, and this is very handy because if you don't wear your wigs with glue, I do recommend a wig grip. It literally works. This is the hair. I did go ahead and bleach and pluck this hair off of camera, but this hair is super beautiful and silky. I keep saying that because it is, and it's really crazy that it's so beautiful and silky. But yeah, I did bleach this hair, so if you get this hair, you might have to bleach it. Just be aware. So this is how my crusty braids look, and all I'm going to do is put on my wig caps. So I'm putting on my nude wig cap because most people always ask me why I wear two wig caps, and I always say this: I wear two wig caps because I don't do the ball cap method, and this just helps my hair be flat. It helps it be flat, so that's what I do. So that's all I'm doing right here. I'm putting on my first one, and then I'm putting on my darker wig cap, and this one is going to match my skin tone much better, so I will not have to do anything to my lace. Like, the lace is not going to be white, if that makes sense, because sometimes even if you do the foundation and stuff, your lace is going to be white, but with this method it's not. I'm going ahead and cutting off my ear tabs. I normally leave this part out, but I decided to leave it in. I'm cutting the ear tabs off just to have my ear be comfortable, and you guys can see how beautiful it is. I took it off of my head and I tightened the straps in the back, and look how melted this looks already. So since it was so melted, I decided not to go in and do like the full hairline. I just kind of laid down my sideburn area, and that really melted properly. So I'm using my Big Sexy hairspray. I got this from CVS. You can get it at your drugstore or any hair store. And I'm cutting off my lace using the small eyelash scissors. And yeah, I'm gonna play some music and I'll be right back because this part is gonna just play. I'm done cutting it off. I'm just gonna take my Big Sexy hairspray and I'm gonna spray my hair. I love the nozzle on this hairspray. It's so focused. Like, you see how it's just spraying right in that section, so focused and clean. Like, it's not falling down my face or doing nothing crazy. It's amazing. It's a little bit more pricey. I think I paid around $18 for that one can, but I love this. Like, it's not even turning white or anything, and I got it at my CVS, and normally I get like coupons and stuff, so you could get it for a deal. I really like this. It's a great holding spray. Just saying, like, look at that, like, it's so amazing. But that's what I'm using today, and I just wanted to test it out because I use it on my cousin and it's so strong. Like, it really holds your wig down. So that's all I'm doing right here. I'm just kind of just spraying little dots around the area and blowing it on cool air because I never do hot air. And look how melted that looks. I lightly plucked this wig, so yeah, all I'm gonna do is part out that area that I'm gonna do my swoop bang with, and it's so simple. You're just gonna part out a U shape in front of your head right there, and yeah, that's all we're doing right now. And I will also say, for this part, you want to make sure that you're taking your time and making sure that that line is kind of crisp, because we are gonna be hot combing this to make sure that the line is crisp. You're going to clip that out of the way with one of your duck belt clips, and now we're going to go ahead and do our ponytail. So with this wig, since it was a 13x4, there wasn't too much lace, so I do recommend that if you're going to do this half up half down hairstyle with the bun, please be sure that you either have a 13x6 lace or a full lace wig, and that will give you more area to play with and you will not see any tracks. That's the whole purpose. I did not turn around. I mean, you weren't seeing too much tracks of mine, but it wasn't as sleek as it could have been if it was a 13x6. So I'm just telling you guys that for this specific hairstyle. This hair on the other hand is really bomb. And right here, this footage, I couldn't get, as I told you, my camera was moving in slow motion, so I couldn't get the footage out of my phone. So like a 15-minute footage would be like 45 minutes. And this is what happened here. And I edit on my phone, so I couldn't get this footage on my phone. So I was recording my camera to show you guys how I sleek the hair into that ponytail. And all I did was use my big sexy hairspray. And I just sprayed the hair and I used some rubber bands just to hold it in place. Me putting the rubber bands was so hard because of my nails. I don't know what was going on, but all I did right here was just cut off that little area that I left in the front. And I got this from Erica J, so you guys can check out her channel, and she has a video up of this exact type of style, but she just did it in a half up half down. That's where I learned that to make the swoop you would cut it off. And this whole hairstyle is basically inspired by her. I just did a bun at the top of my head. Right here, I'm going in and I'm doing my baby hairs. I do have a video. I'm going to try to link it up in the eye above as well of me doing my baby hairs with the holding spray. I feel like it's easier to do your baby hairs with the holding spray, so you guys should try it out and see if it works for you. That's all I'm doing right here. I'm just going back and forth and making sure that I'm cutting it and the hair is short enough, because the shorter the hair is, the more natural this is gonna look. But I want everything to flow into that swoop type of ponytail.
Whatever you said, you got me, you got me.
Okay, you guys, and once you're done doing your baby hairs, you're gonna go ahead and take your hot comb and just smooth out the top of your ponytail right there, and that's just gonna sleek the hairstyle out and make it nice and seamless. I did go ahead and put some more hairspray and put another hair tie, just because it was really hard for me to sleek and put this hair in a ponytail with these nails, and they're super short, so there's no reason for it to be this hard. But anyways, I'm going in with the hot comb again, and I'm just going to hot comb my bang area going towards my face, because we need that bang to swoop over our eyebrow. And then I'm going to go in with my big sexy hairspray again and just comb that through, just so it's going to stay exactly, and I'm going to mold it to how I want it to look. So as you see, I just take it and I kind of mold it how I want it to look right around my ear area, and I keep going back and forth until it's at my desired look. So just take your time with this, do not rush. If you've seen it in real time, I was not rushing whatsoever, but because the video was messed up, it looks like I'm rushing, but I was just fast forwarding the clip on the camera so you guys can see exactly what I was doing. But when I finally get to this part, I did tuck it into the back of my head, and I took the comb at the back of the wig and I stuck the hair into the wig, if that makes sense. But you guys can also go in with bigger hair clips just to clip that hair out of the way, and just spray some more holding spray just to make sure that your style is not going to go anywhere, and even if you go outside, your swoop is not going to fly in the wind. Then I took some of my extra pieces of tracks and I just wrapped that around my wig. I do recommend putting some glue on the tracks and put it around your wig, but if you don't want to mess your wig up, you can go in with some bobby pins as well and pin the hair to your thing. I did not do that. I just wrapped it around the base of the ponytail, and then I went ahead and did my bun. And for the bun, all you have to do is just twist the hair around until it turns into something like this. You can go in and keep playing with it just to make it to your desired liking. Throughout this whole process, you will see me fixing the bun. You can leave it like this. It would be super cute with some like rhinestones and stuff stuck into it, like the rhinestone bobby pins, but you could keep playing with it. Right here, I did want a blunt chop, so this is how I do my blunt chops. I just kind of measure it underneath my boob because I wanted it to be a long type of bob look, and cut it straight across. That's literally it. That's all I did, and it's super cute. This hair is very silky and flowy, so yeah. I just cut the little sideburn area a little bit, and then I played with the bun a little bit more. Like I told you guys, I kept playing with the bun until I liked it, and I felt like I liked this a little bit more than how it was before. I just stuck it with some bobby pins just to make sure that it's going to stay exactly how I put it. And yeah, super easy and cute. I could went in and fluff it out a little bit and make it bigger. I felt like that was cute enough. Like a medium to a large size bun is super cute. Then I went in with my Babyliss Nano Pro. I think that's what it's called. My Babyliss flat iron is a 1.5 inch flat irons, is the thicker ones. I just run the flat iron through the hair super quickly and straighten it out, and then I did a bump at the ends. I'm gonna play some music because you guys can watch this visual, and I will be right back. After I was done straightening, I just bumped the ends, and I do recommend after you bump the ends and you hold it, spray some hairspray right at the ends because they're gonna drop and you're gonna be mad. So this is basically how the look came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just gonna talk to you in the outro, and yeah, I hope this look was cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below of some angels, or if there isn't an angel emoji, just leave some snowflakes down below so I will know that you got to the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to like this video as well. And also, do not forget to subscribe if you want to see more content from me, and turn on your post notifications so you will be notified every single time I post a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this hair, tell me down below how you're feeling about it. And if you're going to try it, do not forget to tag me in your pictures and stuff so I can comment. And also like, okay, because I'd be commenting and liking y'all pictures. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye!
I know what you do.